Hello students, in our today's e-lecture we are continuing with the worksheet 3 of algebraic expressions. Now the question is simplify the following. Look at the statement which is given to us. In this statement, if you look carefully, there are two cases of multiplication of binomial with binomial. One case is this and another case is this. These two are also binomials, and if there is no sign means multiplication sign is between them. Now we will multiply them separately first. How to multiply a binomial with binomial? Pick out the first term of the first binomial and get it multiplied with the second binomial. Pick out the second term of the first binomial plus 4, get it multiplied with the second binomial, that is 3 by 2x plus 6. Now we are going to multiply these two binomials and there is a subtraction sign, so we are going to put them in a big bracket, so that because whenever there is a subtraction sign before a bracket, the entire sign of all the terms in that bracket will change. So we'll do later. First we are going to multiply. Pick out the first term, 1 by 7x, 1 by 7x minus 1. Pick out the second term, plus 1, 1 by 7x minus 1. Now this is the case of multiplication of monomial with binomial. The step we have already discussed. The monomial will multiply separately with the terms of binomial. 2 by 3x into 3 by 2x plus 2 by 3x into 6. 4 into 3 by 2x plus 4 into 6. Now minus sign is there. 1 by 7x into 1 by 7x. 1 by minus 1 by 7x into 1. Now plus, I am doing here, plus 1 into 1 by 7x plus minus 1 into 1. This is 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1 into 1. Now we have to multiply the numbers separately. X raised to power 1 into x raised to power 1. The bases are same, so we are going to add the powers. 3 से 3 cut किया, 2 से 2. Now 2 by 3 into 6, x is alone. 4 into 3 by 2, you can cut it over here also, otherwise you can do it later. 6x plus 4 6 are 24. 1 by 7 into 1 by 7, and again x raised to power 1 into x raised to power 1. We have to multiply the number separately and the variable separately. So it will become x raised to power 2 minus 1 by 7x into 1, that is minus 1 by 7x, plus 1 into 7 by x plus 1 by 7x, and 1 into 1 minus 1. What left here? 1. Only 1. So 1x square, 3 2s are 6 plus 4x plus 6x plus 24 minus 1 by 7 into 1 by 7, that is 1 by 49x square minus 1 by 7x plus 1 by 7x. Now these are like terms because their variable parts are same. Look at the constant part. Minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7. The constant part, the numbers are same, but one is positive and other is negative. So 1 by 7 minus 1 by 7, that will become 0. Either you can write 0x, either you can cancel it off, and minus 1 is left. Now here again there are two like terms, 4x plus 6x. The variable part is same. So we are going to add the constant part, 4 plus 6. Both are positive, it will become 10x plus 24. Now there is a subtraction sign, so sign will change. Minus 1 by 49x square minus plus. Now again we are having two like terms here because their variable part are same, x square, x square. Now look at their constant part, 1 minus 1 by 49. If you want to do it in a rough, 1 minus 1 by 49, you have to take the LCM because addition and subtraction of fractional number can be done by taking LCM. 49 divided by 1 multiplied by 1, 49. 49 divided by 49, 1 multiplied by 1. It will become 48 by 49. So now this become 48 by 49 x square 10x, 24 plus 1, that is 25. So this is your answer. Moving to the next question, that is again the simplify the following. In this statement, now we are having three cases of multiplication of binomial with binomial. The previous question we did by the simple method, now I am doing by lattice method, which we have already discussed. Now this is the multiplication of binomial with binomial. So I have made a box with rectangle with 4 boxes, and I have already written down the terms of the binomial here. You can write it as like x plus 2y here, or either here, it's your wish. You have to write the terms with their sign. I have already written all these three. Now we are going to multiply. Plus 1x minus 3x. Now multiply the number separately. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. X raised to power 1 into x raised to power 1, x raised to power 2. Plus 1 minus xy, plus 2 minus 3 minus 6 yx, plus 2 minus 1 minus 2 y raised to power 1 into y raised to power 1, y raised to power 2. 1 into 1, 1 x square minus 1 xy, 1 yx minus y into y, y square. 1 y square, either y square, both have the same meaning. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2x square plus 1xy minus 2y minus 2x plus 4yx, and it is minus 1 into 2 minus 2y square. Now I am going to keep the terms in bracket. Minus 3x square minus 1xy minus 6yx minus 2y square. Now there is a subtraction sign between. 1x square minus 1xy plus 1yx minus 1y square. There is plus sign. Minus 2x square plus 1xy plus 4xy yx minus 2y square. Now we will look out for the like terms in the bracket. Now in the first case here, minus 1xy minus 6yx. Yx and xy both are like terms because their variable part are same. Look out for the constant part. Minus 1 minus 6, both are negative. So it will become minus 7xy. The rest terms will remain as it is. Minus 1xy plus 1yx. These two are like terms. Minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So I am going to cancel it. 1x square minus 1y square. If you want to write it as x square y square, you can write it. Now look at again. Plus 1xy plus 4yx. Both are positive. Add them. Plus 5x minus 2y square. Now I am going to open the brackets. First bracket as it is. Now there is subtraction sign. So the sign of both the terms will change. Minus 1x square plus 1y square. Plus sign. There is no need to change the sign. Now again we are having like terms. First we will go for the x square. X square and x square. Look out for the constant part. Minus 3, minus 1, minus 2. All the three are negative. Add them and put negative sign. So it will become minus 6x square. Now for xy, minus 7xy plus 5x, yx. xy and yx both are like terms. So minus 7 plus 5, minus 2xy. Now look out for y square. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 2. So we will move according to Dimas. Minus 2 minus 2. That will become minus 4 because both are negative. And then plus 1. Minus 3y square. So in this way we have solved this question. So home assignment for today, dear students. Do worksheet 3 complete of your chapter number 6.